What's up, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, or good night. 我不知道大家是什么时候看这次视频的。最近很多粉丝很好奇问我，就是关于我隔离的时候住这套房子，就是我爸妈的房子。你爸妈是不是很有钱？房子又大又豪华，房价是不是超过100万美金？我们一起来看一看。I hope everybody's doing really well. Everything is slowly getting back to normal here. Overall, businesses are still not very busy yet, so I still spend 99% of my time in this house right here. So I want to show you guys this house. We can talk about the price and whether or not you think it's too expensive. Maybe it's very cheap. Are my parents rich? Am I rich? You can see right here, here's the Jeep that's usually in the background. Today it's out on the driveway. Should we start with the cars? Let's start with the cars. This one is a 2004 Jeep Liberty. Very basic inside. However, it's very clean and reliable. You can check out the driver's seat here. There we can see 110,000 miles. So it's really not that many miles for a 16-year-old car. You can buy something like this probably for about $4,000. Nothing fancy, but gets the job done. The other car is this one, a Toyota Highlander, also a 2004. A little bit nicer inside. We've got more options, nicer stereo, and this one also has very low miles. You can get something like this for about $5,000 or $6,000. This is the one I usually drive. You can see the child seat in here. So we can go into the house either from the garage here, or let's go in the main entrance. Right this way. Oh, there's another bike. Didn't know that was there. This is the main entrance. Oh, that feels good. Air conditioning. So I saw a lot of comments about people saying this house is so big. And it certainly is not small, but it also looks much bigger than it is because we have these really high ceilings. Yeah, as we walk in, we have kitchen right here. So the kitchen is really good size. This is where a lot of the magical cooking has been taking place. My favorite, the dishwasher, saves a lot of time. And then over here, we just have a little workstation. I work right here as my little camera bag, my computer, mouse and everything. This is my dad's little workstation. And if we come back this way, this goes out to the garage. This is where we do all the laundry. Here is the washing machine. Here's the dryer. These things are great. You can get your clothes done in like 45 minutes. Come back out here and woo, there's the Toyota. Here's the living room right next to the kitchen. It's just one big room. And we got the TV here, and right here, just have our dinner together. This is where Xiaomai sits. Let's go check out the bedrooms. This place has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So again, here is the main entrance. And if you take a left right away, we have bedroom 1. We have in the middle a bathroom. And then off to the left, bedroom 2. And here you can see where Xiaomai sleeps, right here in this little bed. Normally, if there's guests visiting, they can sleep on these beds. And over here, we got a lot of closet space. Who's coming? Uh-oh. It's a monster! It's a monster! 小麦，这是不是你的床？你快走太大了，你长得好快。Oh, he's not my little baby anymore. He's gonna climb out soon. We gotta get you a new bed, buddy. Oh my gosh. Can you climb out? I hope not. Oh. Who am I?
Daddy.
Yeah. 我是谁？
Daddy.
Yes. Daddy kiss? Oh, thank
Papa.
you. All right, let's go see the other bedroom. This is where my wife and I stay. Queen size bed. Are you coming too? Are you coming too? This is not your room. Got the dresser here, bed, closets, a nice window view of my neighbor's house. My mom makes these blankets herself. She's really good at it. It's really pretty. Mom, how long does it take you to make one of those quilts? How many hours would you estimate? 100 hours to make one quilt. So, made with love. This is also the place where we do tickles. We do tickles! Yes, we do tickles! We do tickles! He inherited my ticklishness. You play with your belly? Yeah. Let's go in the bathroom. Pretty basic. This is where I weigh myself to see how fat I've gotten in quarantine. And who's this? Who are those handsome devils? Shower, pretty basic. Honestly, it could probably use a remodel. Let's go see the master bedroom here. Back out into the kitchen, the living room. This is where we keep little Michael's toys. Oh, this is his seat. He loves this seat. Come here, I'll sit down in your seat. Yeah, you love it, don't you? Yes, you do. Oh, he's getting up. So let's go into the master bedroom. King size bed. This is of course much bigger bedroom. Again, it has the really high ceilings. We have the master bathroom here. On the left we have dad's closet, and on the right we have mom's closet. Oh, I was wrong. This is dad's. Here's mom's. Lots of space. Toilet. Nice walk-in shower. This is kind of cool. This is what we call his and her sink. Hey, what are you doing in there? Get out of there. Oh no, you got some medicine. That's not good. Where's your father? He's doing a terrible job. The nicest part is this jacuzzi tub. So you can fill it up, and it's got a couple little jets and bubbles and all kinds of things. So we can go back out into the living room, or we can go out here to this room, which is called a lanai. Kind of like in China, we have like a yangtai. We can get in from the master bedroom, or we can go back out here and get in from living room. So this is technically an outdoor room, even though it has a roof and everything. It doesn't get air conditioned. You can see we use it to dry our towels and stuff. You can have a look at my neighbor's house here. You can see his house is 2-story, probably 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, much bigger, and they have a pool. 但是他们的游泳池我从来没看他们用。Another cool thing they have over there is a mango tree. We've got some other fruits, I think maybe papaya. And it's a fairly international community. I think the people that live there, they're from Peru. Neighbors across the street, they're British. I've met Brazilian families in here, Mexican, some Germans. All right, I'm walking over to my other neighbors. They have a pool as well. And you can see they're gone. They have these specialized shutters over their window in case there's a hurricane, that the windows don't break. But let's walk out to the front again. And so I would say my parents' house has not been remodeled since it was built. So certainly this house is not the nicest house in the whole neighborhood, but it's certainly not bad. And I feel really blessed and lucky to be here as opposed to another place where I wouldn't have a lot of space to move around and walk. Let's go for a bike ride. We'll go down to the community area. Let me go grab Xiaomai and we'll go together. You wanna go for a bike ride? Oh. Okay, you ready? Let's do it. It's about a 5-minute bike ride to the community center, maybe a 15-minute walk. But here we are at the community park. It is for people who live here and their guests only. Just gonna go park my bike here. Go look around. Let's do it. So here is the community center. Let's go inside the clubhouse here. Got some tables, it's air conditioned, it's nice and cool. Someone's cleaning it right now. Bathrooms, a little library. I'd like to come down here and read. Nice little community center with the pool. This is just like a tiki hut where you can go and just hang out. We have 2 tennis courts, which I haven't used yet. I should. Mom and Dad both have tennis rackets. I don't know, I guess I'm lazy. I have this really nice play area as well for kids, but now they've closed it. We're gonna go check out the pool here. Pool was closed for 2 months during the pandemic. Now it's all opened. So I usually come here a couple times a week. They do have some new rules now. You can only have 10 people in the pool at once. And I know that doesn't seem like much, and there are 270 some homes here, but a lot of people have their own pools, so they won't come here. Sometimes it gets crowded, but usually it's it's not bad at all. This is a game, I think it's called Bocce Ball. Here's the points keeping system. I really have no idea how to play it. So that's what you get for $140 a month. And it's actually really cheap compared to a lot of the other places I've seen. A lot of places are $300, $400, $500 a month. And some places, which include golf, they're over $1,000 per month. I'm gonna put little Michael back and then we're gonna talk price. So again, I'm super thankful and lucky that I was able to spend time here with my parents through the pandemic. My parents bought this house about 10 years ago in 2010. So what you need to remember is this was right after the economic crisis. Properties were at all-time lows. So they ended up getting it for around 18万美金, which is a great price because if you wanted to buy the same thing now, it's probably 30万美金. Now, I have no idea what's gonna happen with this pandemic. Is there gonna be a recession? But I think what my parents paid, $180,000, is a great deal. It's never been remodeled, but it's still nice and it works for us. There are other houses in this neighborhood that are 400,000, 500,000, 600,000, much bigger, 2 levels, more bedrooms, bathrooms, swimming pool. All right, here we are back at home. I gotta get little Michael some lunch. But what do you guys think? 我们这套房子贵不贵？我们物业费划算不划算？我爸妈是不是很有钱？ Are they millionaires? No, they are not. What do you think, buddy? You like living here? All done. Okay, he's all done. So let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this tour. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。